A lot of people are still looking for ways to make more money on Opera News Hub, while some are making little to nothing. Lucky for me, I earn over 300,000 Naira on the hub, without much stress. And I will show you the little tricks I use to earn money from the hub too, as a content creator. Below are the ways you can make money on Opera News Hub. Number 1. Sign up on the official Opera News Hub website as a content creator. Search Opera News Hub online and click the first website to register. You can sign up with either your Gmail account or your Facebook account. To register with your Facebook details, click the blue box. To register with your Gmail account, click the red box. On the process of registering, you'll be asked to provide your OPay account number for payment. So you should create an OPay account before signing up on Opera Hub. Please kindly note that it takes about 2 days for your account to be reviewed. After you have been approved, you can start publishing your articles. Number 3. Study the platform, and make sure you know the pros and cons of the hub. Use the create icon to start creating your articles. Use the monetization icon to track your daily earnings. Use the library icon to track all the contents you published. Click your profile icon to edit your profile picture, username, and your account number. Have it in mind that all Opera News Hub creators will get paid their revenue on the 15th to 17th of every month. Number 3. Publish engaging and captivating contents. This means, your contents, most especially, your headlines and thumbnails, should be captivating and engaging. When a user reach your article, the first thing they see is your thumbnail. That is why you have to use eye-catching pictures for it. The next thing Opera News readers check after seeing your thumbnail is your headlines. Your headline is the topic of your article. The goal is to make the headline to be engaging and mysterious at the same time. When an Opera News user sees an intriguing headline full of mystery, they will definitely click the article to find out more about the content. For example, instead of writing, breaking news, Nigerian president has signed student loan bill, instead, write, breaking, President Tinubu has done it again, here's what he did for Nigerian students. Instead of writing, just in, Burna Boy just bought a new Range Rover for 80 million Naira, fans react. You can just write, just in, Burna Boy just bought the latest Range Rover Sports. But you won't believe the price. Photos. Do not put it this way. I may release Nnamdi Kanu on December, President Tinubu. Instead, put it this way. This is what I will do to the Nnamdi Kanu on December, President Tinubu. No matter what you do, make sure you use engaging headlines and captivating thumbnails for your contents, so that you can have a share of over 200 million Opera News users. Number 3. After finding out how you can publish engaging contents, the next step is to be consistent by posting articles regularly. Publish at least 5 articles every day and make sure each published articles generate a lot of clicks, at least 50,000 click per article. If you are a new content creator, you're expected to post at least 1 or 2 contents per day. But after a week of being consistent, the number of articles you can post per day will be increased to 5 or above. The goal is to post as much articles as possible, so that you can accumulate more clicks. The more clicks you generate, the more money you earn. A client of mine generated just 20 clicks from her last post. However, with a good engagement, she was able to make over 120 Naira from 20 engaging clicks. Now, imagine what over 500,000 clicks per day can earn you. I use this method to earn over 300,000 Naira monthly. Number 4. One other common way you can make money from Opera News Hub is by participating in their monthly challenge. Each month, Opera News Hub introduces new content challenge that helps content creators to make more money from the platform. After the end of the program, Opera staffs will select 50 authors who passed the test and reward them from $10 up to $40. To participate, you just have to follow the program rules to get your $30 to $40 at the end of the month. And that is the end of this video. Kindly subscribe to this channel to know more about Opera News Hub, and how to get more clicks and followers. Thank you.